What's going on, guys? ADC Art Attack here, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing the 1 hour, the 10 minute, and the 1 minute drawing challenge. You guys have been requesting this for so long. I finally caved, and yes, I am doing it. And I truly believe in myself. I believe that I can create great artwork in 1 minute. So, kicking off this video, I started with the 1 hour part of the challenge, and this is the part that I thought was going to be the easiest, and I thought, hell yeah, I can do... What did I just step on? I can do a damn good drawing in 1 hour. Nope. No. Well, we'll see at the end, shall we? I think it came out pretty good, actually. Or am I lying? Did it come out good? Or did it not? Stay tuned to find out. But no, in all honesty, I decided to start this drawing off by doing the base with the sketch and prioritize the proportions. I think if I can get the proportions correct, the coloring doesn't take too long, I can scribble it on, and it will still look pretty good no matter what the results are of the coloring. I think as long as I get the proportions and the character himself done, it would turn out good. Now, admittedly, I did take a lot longer on the sketching and the inking phase as I'd like to have, so I decided to be smart actually. I thought, hey, if I start coloring this now without giving any sort of drying time, the ink is going to smudge everywhere. So what I did was halfway through this drawing, I decided to go back and ink some of it and then continue with the other half, the part that I thought, well, if it bleeds, because it's just dark blues, if it bleeds, that isn't going to be too much of a problem, but the skin tones are going to be a problem. So I decided to ink those areas first. So that is what I did, but I took way too long, and as you will see at the end of this, you shall see the results. So what I'm going to do right now is let this video play out, let you guys enjoy it for now, and I will catch you at the end of this segment, and we shall review the 1 hour drawing challenge. Enjoy. So welcome back, and yeah, not bad, huh? It actually came out pretty decent, although I did start to run out of time, and the worst part was I started to run out of color. Yep, the blue that I was using, well, the mid-tone, began to run out on me and fail on me, so I had to kind of scribble as best as I could to get that done, and yes, the time was there. I am still shaking from it, actually. I didn't really... Well, you know, I wasn't really aware how fast an hour goes by until I was clock watching while doing this, and oh my god, an hour is not a long time. So please, guys, if you have an hour of your life and you don't know what to do with it, spend it with someone you love, because god damn, time is flying by and you do not want to miss life. But in all honesty, yes, I actually did like this drawing. I think it came out pretty good, and proportionately, it's a pretty good drawing. I didn't get to finish it on the full scale paper, which was just poor planning on my side. Although it does fit the paper if we go off screen, but I wanted to keep it all on screen. So what did you guys think about this? If you liked it, let me know down below. And if you'd like to see another challenge, oh wait, there's more. That is right, we got the 10-minute segment coming up. So what I'm going to do right now is let the 10-minute play out. You guys can enjoy it. Obviously, I'm not going to keep it in real time because I'm not here to bore you guys. So please enjoy the 10-minute segment, and we shall come back at the end of that and see what the hell happened there. What? It's not bad, right? It's sort of okay. And for reference, in case you guys wanted to know, basically, Vegito was fighting Cell, and Cell stabbed him in the arm, and that's why his arm is so skinny, okay? Because if you know Dragon Ball, right, then you know what happened to Piccolo can also happen to Vegito, and that's what happened. So I purposely meant to do that. His arm should be like this, and that is why it's done like that. So, you know, before you start hating on me, get your facts right. Vegito versus Cell. Yeah. Yeah, pretty decent actually. I did not have time to do any sketching. I thought I could, but no, that's not happening. So I decided, you know what, we're not gonna sketch. We're just gonna go straight into the pen drawing, and that's what I did right here. And I'm actually surprised. I don't care if I forgot to do his arm. Okay, yes, I forgot to do his arm, but I think it came out pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with the results of this. And yeah, I didn't get to do any shading on this, but hey, who needs shading? It's a 2D image anyway. It's okay. We don't need shading. It looks good. I'm proud of it, and I hope you guys like it too. Let's get on with the best part of this, because I actually think, right, and I'm gonna be honest here, I think that the 1 minute part of this drawing will hands down be the greatest drawing I've ever created. Because, right, Ultra Instinct. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I have attained it, and I am going to draw without thought, without anything. Close my eyes for 1 minute, and I'm going to draw. This will be the single greatest drawing you've ever seen. Are you ready for this? Okay, no, seriously, I'm actually not gonna just let this play out. I'm gonna keep this in real time, because why the hell do I need to speed this? It's 1 minute. Yeah, look at this Ultra Instinct technique right here. Okay, so Jiren comes at me, I swerve around him, boom, dip a line down there, dip a line down here. Wait a second, I'm still on coloring. Oh, that's awkward. This is what happens when you record audio over without watching your video. Yeah, so yeah, so I decided to do a different approach here, and I decided to start coloring first, because I figured, hey, if I start inking and I color on top of this, it is gonna smudge like crazy. So I began by layering down the colors and then inking on top of it, and of course this came out exactly the way I wanted it. I told you guys. 1 minute, plenty of time. Plenty of time. What do you think? Do you like it? So there you have it, guys. I have completed the 1 hour, the 10 minute, and the 1 minute drawing challenge. It was fun. What was your favorite bit? Which bit do you like the most? I personally think the 1 minute one looks absolutely epic, but no, the one I am most proud of is definitely 10 minute one, actually. I'll be honest, I will say the 10 minute one is probably my favorite one because you gotta take into account that I didn't actually do any pencil sketches. I just did straight line work and then coloring on top of it. Now, I didn't get to finish it or anything, but I think just for the simplistic nature of it, it actually is my favorite one in terms of it's not too bad for the time and for what I did. So I actually think the 10 minute one is my favorite one, and I think the best one out of all of them, but obviously the best looking one would be the 1 hour one because I had more time, I got to plan a little bit better. But yeah, have you guys tried this challenge? And if you haven't tried this challenge, then please do try it because it will test you and it is pretty difficult. Time management is very difficult, and obviously as an artist I will always say to you, you don't need to manage your time. You take as long as the art needs to take. So there isn't something you need to practice too much, but it is a good way of sort of analyzing your strengths and analyzing sort of how fast you work and things. But in the grand scheme of things, I wouldn't say that this kind of challenge really helps you in any sort of way as an artist. It's just a bit of fun. So guys, if you have any other challenges you'd like me to do, please leave a comment down below and I will maybe get to them if they are popular enough. If you guys really want them and you demand them, then I will do them. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching the video. I have been ADC Art Attack. Obviously you know that because I've said that once already, but yeah, hi. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you did like this video. If you didn't like this video, dislike it and, you know, leave me a hate comment and tell me that I suck. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.